Have you ever wondered why some of the world's richest people are secretly funding research on armadillos? Today, we'll uncover their motivations and what this could mean for future scientific advancements. For over a decade, Dr. Bob Aladamra has been studying the 11-banded armadillos to address their significant carbon footprint. This research is crucial for understanding how these animals affect ecosystems. Billionaires are investing in this research due to the armadillo's unique genetic makeup and their potential role in medical breakthroughs. Armadillos can develop human diseases, making them valuable for studying conditions like leprosy. The giant armadillo, a large South American mammal, is particularly interesting as it's threatened and exhibits nocturnal behavior. Understanding these animals can help in conservation efforts, especially since they are part of the Dasypodidae family. Scientists aim to revise the systematic classification of armadillos thoroughly. This revision will help prioritize species and populations most in need, ensuring effective conservation strategies are put in place. The investment in armadillo research can lead to significant ecological benefits. By understanding how these animals interact with their environment, we can develop better strategies for eco-restoration and biodiversity preservation. In conclusion, the secret investments in armadillo research by billionaires highlight the importance of these animals in both ecological and medical contexts. This research is pivotal for future scientific advancements. So, are you surprised to learn about this secret investment? What aspect of armadillo research do you find most intriguing? Let us know in the comments below.